Welcome to Orchard Barn. We are in the beautiful Blackdown Hills. You wouldn't believe it. Can't hear anything. We're a mile away from the 303. So you've got great access. We have a flexible property with multi-generational living opportunities, 5 bedrooms, a holiday cottage. We've got land, tennis court, swimming pool, stables, everything you could want to really maximize the location. So when you've finished up in the fantastic farmhouse style kitchen, you can then migrate to the sunroom with the bifold doors that allow the inside to meet the outside on this beautiful private courtyard. There's a really flexible arrangement when it comes to the bedrooms, with some on the ground floor and also on the first floor. Principal room, principal suite shall I call it, has the very best, with plenty of space, stunning views over the valley, but importantly looking directly onto the stables and onto the land, so you can keep a close eye on anything that's really important. And let's not forget the holiday cottage, actually an award-winning holiday cottage, successfully let throughout the year, providing income if you wish, or ideal as an annex. It has its own driveway, private garden area, access for the swimming pool, and of course those beautiful views. So as we mentioned earlier, this property has amazing leisure facilities. We've got a heated swimming pool and we've got a beautiful tennis court with the views behind. So why not make the most of them? You cannot be serious. So I think it's fair to say my tennis is not perfect, but I think this property is. Why not come and have a look at it? Give us a call, 01823 423 500, and we'd be very happy to show you around.